Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to be unboxing our new 4K dash cam. This dash cam is suitable for any car model. You can give it to yourself or relatives and friends as a gift. You know it's a decent gift, it doesn't miss the little things along the way. Once open the box, a card and quick start guide come into our views. Scan QR code can reach us for our customer service. Quick start guide help operate dash cam easily. Now we got a new 4K dual dash cam, which can record the sight of front and cabin. One GPS path. 2 section cups. A cartridge with USB port. A mini USB cable. A small pin used to insert or take out SD card. And the user manual. Let's check the dual dash cam. Front lens with protect film. Should tear the film before using. The wide angle of the front camera is 170 degrees. And the wide angle of the inside camera is 110 degrees. The GPS path. It's necessary when you turn on GPS function. 2 section cups. If it have any problem, please contact us for the replacement. Car charger. New design for it with USB port. Mini USB cable. Used to transfer files to computer from dash cam. Okay, let's check the 4K dual dash cam. Insert SD card and power it now. Screen flash red light means dash cam is recording now. Need to press OK button to stop recording. Then we can enter menu setting. This dash cam has GPS and Wi-Fi. When you turn on the GPS function, it's able to record the driving track and speed accurately for you to view later. You also can view GPS track on phone after downloading video to phone's album. The Wi-Fi function makes it very convenient to operate and watch playback on your mobile phone. And our dash cam have many other functions, like loop recording, motion detection, G-sensor and parking mode and so on. We also have several videos on our YouTube to help you operate it easily. And if you have any questions about the camera, please feel free to contact us. We will help you solve it as soon as possible.